Welcome back to Breathwork Beats. My name's Dan, and I'll be guiding us through this session today. In today's session, we'll be doing breath of fire, alkaline breathing, the physiological sigh, and power breathing. It's best to be sitting upright or laying flat down on the floor. So listen for the sounds of my breath, and let's go ahead and get started together now, like this. Breath of fire. Alkaline breathing. Physiological sigh. Power breathing. Double the speed. Completely relax. Let all thoughts escape your mind. Relax your eyes. No future, no past. We'll take our full breath in 3, 2, 1. Fully in. And exhale. And just return now to your normal breathing. Get ready for the next round. All right. Let's begin. Breath of fire. Alkaline breathing. Physiological sigh. Power breathing. Double the speed. Completely relax. Let all thoughts escape your mind. Relax your eyes. No future, no past. We'll take our full breath in 3, 2, 1. Fully in. And exhale. And just return now to your normal breathing. Get ready for the next round. Let's begin. Breath of fire. Alkaline breathing. Physiological sigh. Power breathing. Double the speed. Completely relax. Let all thoughts escape your mind. Relax your eyes. No future, no past. Take our full breath in 3, 2, 1. Fully in. And exhale. And just return now to your normal breathing. Thank you so much for breathing with me today. And now for today's reading. The second book of the Tao, verse 27. Penumbra said to Shadow, "When the Tao moves, you move. When it stops, you stop. Don't you find it depressing to have no power of your own?" Shadow said, "On the contrary, with no decisions to make, my mind is always at ease. All I have to do is follow. You can't imagine how much freedom there is in just going along for the ride." Penumbra said, "But how can you know that its decisions are right? Where do you find your trust?" Shadow said, "Whether I trust it or not, whether or not its decisions are right, when it moves, I move, so I might as well trust." Commentary. Darkness is as good of a metaphor for spiritual maturity as light is. People talk about enlightenment, and that describes one facet of the intricate jewel, but you can just as accurately call it endarkment. When we plunge into utter blackness, it becomes very comfortable there. This little dialogue presents us with Penumbra, the student of Shadow, the master, accompanied in the art of stepping out of his own way. Penumbra has some illusory light around his edges. He still thinks that he can control what happens. He equates the loss of control with the loss of power. He's projecting onto Shadow what utter powerlessness might feel like. That would depress anyone. Shadow, for his part, is entirely at the disposal of the intelligence that runs the universe. This makes him a very satisfied fellow. For him, trust is a non-issue. It's peripheral, involuntary, a side effect and a fringe benefit of insight. He's the man in the moon, the mirrored image, just waiting for reality's eyes to blink, or its left hand to touch the tip of its nose. Shadow will blink or touch his nose instantaneously. Fascinating. What will it come up with next?